Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete application on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, deleting unused apps help keep your device organized, making it easier to find and access the apps you use regularly. Not only that, deleting apps also allows you to customize your device to your preferences, keeping only the applications that are relevant and useful to you. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, enter please to the settings on your device. Well, and in this page, you can scroll down until you find App Management menu. Tap on the option. Next, enter to the App List page. Well, and here you will find all of the applications installed on your device. So, select the one you want to delete. After that, click on Install option here, and you will see two options, and you can choose the one you need, whether it is to retain the data after deletion process or delete all data with the app. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to delete application on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.